Hello, my friend, Stephanie Barnard at the Stamps of Life, and it is club time. If you're a Stampin' Die Hard Club member, you are going to be excited. If you're not, that's okay. There's time to join to get in on this set. Now, this set is almost like a two-part because there's two different main images on it that you can do so much with. So what's the name of it? The name is Happysanta2stamp, and look at how happy he is. He's waving. He loves everybody and he's waving. Or there's presents that he can hold a present if you want. There's also this amazing gorgeous tree that I want in 10 different sizes because I love it so much. And then there's lots of words. So ho, 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 Merry Christmas, wishing you a magical and then you can say Merry Christmas. Sending Christmas cheer your way, joy to the world. May your Christmas be wrapped in love and sprinkled with joy, and wishing you joy. Lots of options. Now, of course, you know I couldn't stop with this, so there's lots more to see. But before we go into that, let's look at our Die Hard version. So Stamp Club members are getting the Stamp Club. Die Hard Club members are getting the same stamps and the dies that match. Now, the dies that match, we do something a little different at the Stamps of Life, as most of you know. We give you the shadow die and the inside die. That way you have two different options. You can cut it with a shadow or without a shadow. So it's like double duty, right? You're also getting cute little ornaments to add to the tree. You're getting the presents with a shadow and without a shadow. So many options. Now, of course, you're getting the handy dandy postcard in your club shipment. Keep this with your stamp and die set so you can refer back to it not only for some ideas, but also to know what else goes with these items. And that is in the next video, so stay tuned. Now here's first, let's do a lot of samples that I have. Here's a cute one that I absolutely love. It's showing the Santa and the cute little tree. So I remember I said it's kind of like 2 for 1 because you're getting the Santa, so you could totally do a whole theme on Santa. Or you could do the tree and do a whole scene on the tree with the presents underneath, things like that. So there's lots of options with this one. So let's jump in. Oh, look at this one, you guys. Michelle made this. Now, if you're looking at that Merry Christmas at the bottom, look how gorgeous it is, cut in our foil. Guess what? That is being released today as well. So go get that on the website. It's part of one of the cards, the card dies. But look at these cute little trees, all rainbow color. And they have little pockets in here, little boxes, so you can put little treats in there if you wanted. Imagine putting some candy canes in each one. How cute would that be? I absolutely love this. Ooh. Okay, let's jump in and look at some samples. So here's our first one, and I do notice right off the bat there is a sneak peek for the next video on this card, and it is that gorgeous double plaid background, which I absolutely love. It is so intricate, but at the same time sturdy enough to be used all the time. Here we have our cute little Santa with the tree. Open that up. Sending warm holiday hugs and heartfelt wishes. It's hard to read upside down sometimes. Here's another cute one. Oh, and by the way, here he's holding a present. And here he's just waving. He's waving to everybody. He's got a sack of goodies in the back, and he's just waving to everybody. Here's another sneak peek. How cute is this? It says December Daily, and you'll be seeing this later this month. But look how cute that little guy is. He's just waving to everybody. You guys, look at this. Yvette, look at this. So she has her little Santa and her tree. She turned that double plaid background, that's a must-have, absolutely, and used it as part of the stocking. Isn't that stunning? I absolutely love it. Or you could go a little more simple and do a tree. Now, if you're not a colorer, and I totally understand that, I totally respect that. I was that way for more than 20 years, okay? I refused to color. If you've never heard me talk about the tri-blend markers, those are these, oops, hang on. Those are these. They have 3 different colors in one pen. The price is amazing. It's pretty awesome. Go watch that video on the tri-blends because I finally fell in love with coloring. And I swore I would never color, and I've learned never say never. I said I'd never color because it's awful, it's horrible, I never know what colors, I never know what to do, blah, blah, blah. And now I can color like this. It's insane. So don't be afraid to color, and I want you to go watch the tri-blends. 99% of you right now are going, those tri-blends are awesome. I know. Now, here's another one, totally different look, same Christmas tree, just changing it up a little bit. So one's 5x7, one is A2, but this one's a little different because look at this one. Whoa, look at that. Isn't that stunning? If you sent this to someone for Christmas, they would not only fall over, they'd keep it. They really, really would keep it. Isn't that gorgeous? I love that. So you're going to fall in love with that A2 background. I'm telling you guys, it's awesome. Okay, now here's another one. So love this one. Cute little Christmas tree. Blue, which is fun. And then, or you could just use the shadow die if you wanted and make it pink. Or here's another blue tree. Lots of options. Don't think your tree only has to be green. It can be lots of different colors. It's up to you, right? Now, stay tuned for the next video, because if you're in quick enough, if you get in fast enough, you can get in on the bundle. Bundles are for club members only on the 1st of the month, so stay tuned for that. If you're not in the club, you need to go to our website, thestampsoflife.com, and click on Join the Club and just watch. You're going to want to subscribe to one of those clubs, because not only do you get either stamps and dies sent to you automatically each month, but you get club points, you get a discount on our website, 15 to 20% off our entire website, not one exclusion. Every single item, as long as you're a club member, is on sale every single day at the Stamps of Life, because you get 15 to 20% off. Also, you get freebies every couple months, and it's lots and lots of fun. So go to our website, thestampsoflife.com, click on Join the Club, just watch that video, and the hardest part's going to be deciding which one to join. Thanks so much. I'll see you again soon. Bye-bye. much for watching. Now, make sure you subscribe to our channel right below us here so you don't miss out on any of our videos. You'll also have the option to click the Shop Now button or check out some of these other videos that we have on YouTube, because you know what? You're going to love them. I'll see you soon. Bye-bye.